Drive alone in December rain. They play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold and longing for the holiday. Counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh bells call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow. Deck the house. That's when the snow starts falling. I pick all the presents up for you. Decorate the fireplace for two. I keep waiting all night, all night. Wish upon a starlight, starlight. I sleep under the mistletoe. Wake me up with a kiss on my nose. It feels so magical, yeah, look where we were small. Someone's been here and there. The stockings were all. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh bells call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh bells call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, happy Christmas season. We are into it right now. It is the first full week of December. I'm going to take you into a tour of what I have for home decorations for this year's Christmas season. So I'm just going to show you a few things during the day, and then you'll see how everything looks at night. I'm also going to show you my balcony, which I have all cozied up for the season, and I used some things from inside that I put out there that I think make it look really cozy. So I'll show you that. I'll give you a little bit of a tour of the balcony and then inside. So come on, come along with me.
That time of year has come around again. Good on some, but hard on others. Be kind and take care of each other. Not everyone has got a friend tonight.
It's the time of jingling bells and twinkling lights.
The time of buying everything in sight.
In the scurry of the lovers holding hands.
You're lucky if you have a friend tonight. While the ghost of Christmas present is too many still apart. Since the ghost of Christmas coming is for none of us insured. For the ghost of Christmas present, we open up our door.
That time of year has come and gone again.
It was good on some, but hard on others. Be kind and take care of each other. Not everyone has got a friend tonight. While the ghost of Christmas present is in every tender heart, the ghost of Christmas past keep too many still apart. Since the ghost of Christmas coming is for none of us insured. For the ghost of Christmas present, we open up our door. For the ghost of Christmas present, we open up our door.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh.
So thanks for showing up and taking a peek inside my home for this holiday season. I will see you in my next video, guys. Take care. Bye for now.
It's Merry Christmas, baby.